Firstly, launch iTunes on your computer. Now connect your iPhone to your computer using Lightning connector. Now go to iTunes and select this little iPhone icon on the top left corner. Now under backup section, you want to select this option, this computer. Now you can go ahead and take a backup, but this backup will be unencrypted and unsecured, which is not recommended. You should encrypt your iPhone backup because encrypted backup includes your saved passwords, health data, website history, and Wi-Fi settings. So to make sure you back up everything, you should encrypt your backup. So now go ahead and select this checkbox, Encrypt Local Backup. Now you want to create a new password to encrypt your iPhone backup. And I want you to write down and save this password somewhere safe because you cannot recover your data from this backup unless you know this password. So literally write it down and keep it safe. Now go ahead and hit Set Password. As soon as you hit that option, iTunes should start backing up your iPhone. Wait until it completes. And there you go. Your iPhone is backed up to your iTunes successfully. Next time when you connect your iPhone to iTunes, you just want to hit this Backup Now button to back up your iPhone to your computer. Now if you want to see your backup, you can go to Edit, Preferences, and under Devices section, you should see your iPhone backup along with date and time. You can also go to this folder path on your computer to see your backup file. And before you leave, one more thing. Make sure that this checkbox is marked in iTunes. This will prevent your iPhone from backing up to your computer accidentally. Because if you have this checkbox unselected, iTunes will override your old backup every time you connect your iPhone to your computer. And this will be very dangerous if you want to restore your iPhone from old backup. So make sure this checkbox is selected. And that's all you need to know to back up your iPhone to iTunes on your computer. Check out other iPhone backup related videos on the channel before you leave. I am Vikas signing off for the day. Thank you so much for watching.